Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. Welcome to Comfy Science tutorial, where science meets clarity. Today we are going to settle on a very common confusion: respiration versus breathing. Now, what is breathing? Breathing is a physical process of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. It happens in the lungs, and the organs involved, what is involved is inhalation, that is taking in oxygen, and exhalation, maybe expelling carbon dioxide or giving off carbon dioxide. It's controlled by the diaphragm. Breathing is controlled by the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Now, what is respiration? Respiration is a chemical process. Respiration is a chemical process by which cells break down glucose to release energy. It happens in every cells of the body, not just the lungs. Respiration occurs in all cells of the body, not only the lungs. Now, features of breathing and respiration. Now, type. Breathing is physical, while respiration is chemical. If you look at where it happens, where does breathing happens? It happens in the lungs, while the respiration takes place in all the cells in the body. Now, if you ask, what does it take? In breathing, oxygen is required, while in respiration, it involves removal of carbon dioxide to release energy. Energy is being released. Now, there are two types. We are going to look at respiration. We have two types of respiration. The major types of respiration are the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now, what is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is a type of respiration that requires or make use of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration happens without oxygen, and it's involved in the muscles during heavy exercise, where it takes place in the muscles during a very heavy exercise, or we call it can also happen in the yeast. Aerobic respiration gives more oxygen than anaerobic respiration. So I know with this you have come to understanding or to a very confusing of these very two terms, breathing and respiration. Question I want to leave with us is this: which organ is involved in breathing? Which organ? You know the organ that's involved in breathing. So if in today's video, if you have benefited, I want you to like, subscribe, comments in your next topic requests. Though you are living with, you are still watching Comfy Science tutorial. Your science success starts here. Thanks.